Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana. I am the HGIC here at Divine Goddess Soaps. Today we are continuing along with the Halloween in July series, and this is a special episode. I am introducing a new series that I will be doing called Paper Fizz Fridays. In this series, I will combine my love of paper crafting and bath and body products. For the Fizz portion this week, I will be making two different bath bombs. Both of them are mummy bath bombs. We have a little boy and a little girl. Both of these bath bomb molds are from Just Fairy Fizzies on Etsy, and they are both vacuum form molds. Now, if you've never used a vacuum form mold, they are a little bit different than the 3D printed molds that most of us are used to. They are one-piece mold. What you'll want to do is put some mix into your bath bomb mold. Take the tip of your fingers and gently press the mix down so that it fills in all the details and all the crevices. And then you'll fill it up some more, give it a squish, fill it up some more, give it a good couple squishes, and then you'll scrape off the back. Rub the back of the bath bomb like you see me doing here, and then you'll have a nice flat back, and then you can go ahead and unmold it. Now you can use your whacking spoon on these if you find that they're sticking. With my recipe, I don't find that they stick very much as long as I kind of slam them down on my table or my tray, whichever. If you wouldn't mind at this point, go ahead and pampering that like button, showing it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it. And if you're not already, please go ahead and subscribe. I do upload at least 2 videos a week. I am changing things now. I'm going to be uploading every Monday and Friday. As usual, I made several of these and I'm just going to let them dry for a couple days. Now that my bath bombs have had enough time to dry, I'm going to go ahead and paint them. Here I am airbrushing this cute little girl mummy bath bomb with Rapunzel mica from Nurture Soap, and that's just mixed with 91% rubbing alcohol. Here I'm going in with Honey Blush Mica, also from Nurture. The pink for the cheeks, I decided to go with Pink Vibrance. This is Black Pearl, also from Nurture. And then I decided to give her a cute little purple bow with Purple Vibrance mica, also from Nurture. And I decided to go with green hair. I thought that would be fun. This is a mix of green apple mica from TKB Trading and Rise and Shine mica from Nurture Soap. For the cute little boy bummy, almost said bummy. For the cute little boy mummy bath bomb, I'm going in and also airbrushing him with the Rapunzel mica. I just did that on where his little wraps would be to kind of make him look grungy without doing brown. This is also the Black Pearl mica. Now, if you get this mold, I highly recommend doing this one with a small paintbrush. He has an itty bitty little mouth that you gotta get in there with the black. If you choose to, you can also just not paint it. That's fine too. Then I'm going in just with a thin line around the iris of his eyes with the Purple Vibrance. And going around the rest of his eyes with the green apple mixture. For his sweet little heart, I colored this with my Red Obsession, mica from Nurture Soap. And here is how I decided to package the set. I made this cute little unwrap me tag with a stamp set that I'll be featuring in my card making video that will be linked below. It's on my other channel. And here is the cute little card that I decided to make. This mummy is a dancing mummy, so his legs move freely and you can make him dance. I will have the card making video linked below if you're interested in that. My card making channel is Divine Goddess Cards. And as always, please take time to pamper your inner goddess. Self-care is so important for every her, him, and they. And I will see you in the next one.